In this video, I'm going to teach you what to do to transfer or reverse the transfer on your Venmo. So if you actually sent or paid a stranger or friend on Venmo, you have the proper precautions to actually reverse the payment. If you sent the wrong payment to your friend, you can ask them to charge you back right there. You can send a payment request with the same amount and also a note explaining the mistake. Once they accept the request, the money will be added to your Venmo account eventually. Now, if you sent a payment to the stranger, you will need to gather some information and contact the support team. So add the username of the person that you sent the payment to, amount of the payment, date of the payment, as well as the username, phone number, and email address of the person that you meant to pay. To reach the Venmo support, head over to the Me settings, get help, chat with us, and ask for an agent to help you with this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.